If you're watching this video, it means that you just had access to my Facebook ads template in Looker Studio. And I want you to show how to copy this dashboard for yourself. Hey, my name is Gala. I'm Looker Studio expert and founder of Gallery Reports. I work in marketing analytics since 2019, and if you're here, probably you knew about it already because you'll find this template on my website or one of my social media. So let's start. First of all, you have a view version of this dashboard. It means that you can click to three dots and make a copy. But before you do this, let's start here. I created a page start here. This dashboard contains 3 pages: Supermetrics, Windsor, and Google Sheets. They're the same, but based on different data sources. If you update data once per month or once per week, and it's okay for you to copy paste data from your Facebook ads account, you can use Google Sheets template. Google Sheets version, this manual version. If you want to have real data, I recommend you to use connectors. I work with Supermetrics and Windsor. And for my followers, I have a nice surprise, not a cat. I have a discount, so it's 10% off for Windsor with my promo code Gallery Reports and 20% off for Supermetrics connector with my promo code Gallery Reports. But don't tell anyone. So, first of all, you choose which version do you want. If you want to have real data, you click to this link to Supermetrics or to Windsor. You log in here, you start your free trial, connect your Facebook ads account, create a data source in Looker Studio. Let's go here. So you go to Looker Studio, data sources, and create your new data source. Same with Windsor. So you go click to Windsor, start for free, start your free trial, and go there, create a new data source, create your Facebook ads data source, and that's it. Now you can copy. And when you copy, you change your data source for that you connected. I think Google Sheets version is a bit more tricky, so let's go through it. You decided to have Google Sheets version. You can click here, open the Google Sheets template. You will have a view access as well. I understand. You have view access. You cannot do anything with this document. So first of all, you go to File, make a copy. You call it as you want and make a copy. So now this is your document. This is your document. It's so big. Let me make it smaller. Got it. When you copy this document, here there is some instructions as well. Here you can see some information about this on the help page, but what do we need? We need a data page. On this page, you have a table with data on account name, campaign name, ad set, impressions, clicks. So what do you need to do? You need to remove this data, my template default data, from this tab and add your Facebook account data or several accounts data to this tab in the same format. It's super important. So first column, date. It should be date in a date format. It cannot be, if any cell of this column will be text, dashboard will not work. It is not issue of my dashboard. This is like general rules about working with Looker Studio or any BI tool. So account name, campaign name. So please keep order of column and data type is the same as an example. So impressions, clicks, and so on. If you don't have add to cart, you can change it to other conversion. But what I mean by these columns, I mean like any conversions that you have in your account. If you change name here, you will need to change name in Looker Studio as well, but it is super easy and it is not a problem. Okay, first step, you go to Google Sheets, you make a copy, and you have your own document. Go to Looker Studio page and create new data source from here. I prefer this version. It is, I think it less tricky. So we need to connect Google Sheets, and we have our test one Google Sheets, and we need to connect data page. Options, you don't need to change anything here, so click to connect. Click to connect. After that, we can rename our data source. Facebook, Google Sheets 3. I recommend you to add normal name for all your data sources. Then what do we need to check here? Check the date field has date format. This is super important. Check this that all your number fields, they have a number format. And we have spend. I will change it to US dollars. But you can change for any currencies that you prefer. You can data freshness, how often do you want to update it? Actually, I don't need to update it all the time because I will pull data manually to Google Sheets. So I can update it here. Nice. So we are good. We are created data source, and when we go to Looker Studio page, data sources, we will see it here. Let's go back to our free template. We're almost there, believe me. And I'm talking too much. Actually, it is much faster than I'm explaining. So now we have Google Sheets, and we created data source based on this Google Sheets. Now we are 100% ready. Click 3 dots, make a copy. And select data source, just sit up or just choose this data source that we created. You can do it for all 3 pages because we don't need 2 others. Just copy, and we will remove pages that we don't need. Okay. Good. We have issue here. It is fine because this is Supermetrics page. We can delete or hide this page. I can delete it right now. Windsor, same. And start here page, I would hide it in view mode. Good. So now we have one page. We have one page in view mode. You cannot change pages. It is one page. Let's check that everything is correct. Add set name. It is a filter. You can change it to account name or campaign name as you prefer and what is actual for your business. We have data set. By default, it is last 7 days. You can change it for other if you prefer. Here we can see a bit a mess. It could happen, unfortunately, when you copy. But it is super easy to fix. We come back to our original dashboard where you copied. Spend impressions clicks, and you click to this tile and just change it to spend impressions and clicks. Here you don't have a line here with a date, like with a difference, with a like time series chart. Why it happened? Because in Sparkline somehow we didn't understand which field is a date. So just change it to date and it will work. CTR, it is a formula here. It is correct formula. CPC, let's check. It is correct formula. Add to cart. I want to use post engagement as a default. Then check add to cart, lead and purchases. We can update fields and it works. What about this chart? Add to cart, spend, it should be spend, and post engagement. I think this is good, but I mean different post engagement, and this is spend. I prefer spend having bar chart and engagement in line chart, but depends. And here are additional metrics that you can, if you click here to optional metrics, what you can change it here. So what I could be interested in, I could be interested in impressions, clicks, for example, purchases. What do I have more? Oh, leads. And our last chart here on this dashboard, it has account name, campaign name. I would say I'm interested in campaign name and add set name. And here, let me check that we have everything what we need. you don't know what to do, you check what I use here and apply the same on your copy. Impressions, clicks, CPC, CTR, then I have post engagement and cost, and here we change post engagement. Good. So dashboard is done. So we just checked that all fields set up correctly. Now it works. When you update data here in the Google Sheets, it will be updated here on a Looker Studio every 12 hours. If you want to do it immediately, you click to three dots and refresh data. If you want to change colors, you go to Theme and Layout, Customize, and you can change colors and fonts here on this tab. If you're fine with my colors, you can stay here. What else? If you like this template, but you think it is not enough, I have more complex version. It is, you can have access for this Pro Kit for $29, 29 euros. And in this kit, you will have, let me show. No, I cannot show. In this kit, you will have access to Google Sheets, Supermetrics, Windsor separate dashboard. As a bonus, you will have responsive data dashboard. I prepare videos for each dashboard how to copy it with more details. So as you see, even in free version, I explain you in detail how to copy the dashboard, how to work with this. Of course, you have this one, but I think in video it is nicer because you can see in details what how to make a copy, and I think I answered for a lot of little questions during this video. So for in a paid version, you will have separate video for Supermetrics, separate video for Windsor and Google Sheets. I will show you how to copy data from Facebook ads. How do I do it? So a bit more detailed explanation of work and some tips and tricks about Looker Studio, because I work with this a lot, and of course I can share my experience when I do it, when I record my videos. For example, if we are in Google Sheets dashboard, and my Google Sheets dashboard, it is in a Pro version, it's bigger, so it has like more metrics here. You have first page with overview, you have campaign page, you have creatives page, audience placement. So it is more comprehensive dashboard. Okay, something else? I think no, I think we covered everything. How to copy, that you have three versions. If you one day want to move from Google Sheets to connectors, you can do it here, like start from the scratch, create account, add your Facebook ad account there, and make a copy from my free dashboard. And yeah, I hope you like it. If you want more, go for a Pro Kit. If you want to have more advice about Looker Studio, data analytics, BigQuery, Google Sheets, subscribe to my YouTube channel, to my emails. I send emails once per month, and hope to talk to you soon. Bye bye.